Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another installation video, and today I'm featuring Tinashe Hair. So today I will be installing a water wave unit, and this is the 22-inch HD lace water wave unit. And I just want to say this lace is amazing. But before I get into that, I'm just going to show you guys how I install this hair. So I've already I've already plucked and bleached the knots off camera. Well, bleached and plucked the knots. Plucked the frontal off camera. I'm just going to be installing. So what I'm doing right now is I'm cutting up my air tabs so that my frontal lays comfortably. And now I'm going to work in sections, and today I'm not going to be using any glue. I'm just going to be using Got2b freeze spray. And if you're on my channel, you know I love to use that because it's easy to take on and off. So I'm just going to use that today, and as you can see, this lace is so good that the match is amazing, and it just melted into my skin effortlessly. When it comes to cutting your lace, you really want to make sure you cut in a jagged motion or a zigzag motion with your scissors, or if you're using a razor, just make sure you have a tool that's going to really ensure that you get that jagged motion. And then I just apply the Got2b freeze spray. Most of the time I apply 2 layers. I let it dry down for like 10 seconds. I don't really let it get too dry. I like to press in my lace whilst wet, then I dry it with the blow dryer, and that's how I get my frontals to lay with my Got2b freeze spray. A lot of people say they can't get their frontals to lay with this spray, but I absolutely love using this, and I managed to get it to lay for quite some time. This will probably last for like 3 days if I wrap it correctly. So yeah, I just tend to use this more. I feel like it's less harsh than glues. Then I'm just going to section up my baby hairs and apply my band. And here I'm just showing you guys the curl pattern. This is how the curls look like straight out of the box. I put away the frontal because obviously I've brushed that out, but this is how the curls look. Then I'm going to take my wax stick and I'm just going to hot comb the hair so that the top lays pretty flat. I don't want to hot comb a lot because this is curly hair, and I don't want it to be too straight at the top because it will look a bit funny. But I'm just going to ensure that it lays flat by applying my wax stick and then hot combing like the roots of the hair.
Sentimental, you got me attached, which is essential. My guys tell me that I'm so mental. Don't get you how I get you. You different, yeah, you different. Different, just what I'm missing. These days I don't know if they get what I'm thinking. I'm thinking you a high passion. Give me more action. Don't be selling stories. Yeah, let's make some stories. See, I don't care about the man before me. He know what she did it better for me. No chest.
Moving on to the baby hairs, I'm going to cut them quite short. I use my eyebrows as a guide, so I cut literally right above my eyebrow, and then I use my Afro G hair mousse. I love that stuff. It's alcohol free, so it doesn't lift your lace, and I'm just going to use that to swoop and style my edges with my edge comb.
Yeah, melanin popping, got me high like ketamine. Can you that big as wedding ring? When it's time, say you go have to settle things. You just sing your element. You say that I'm genuine. I'm just trying to settle in. On you can really make a man dance. The way you wine put me in a trance. I'll advise you, give me that. Tough times, see them never last. Late on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, Friday, on Saturday, on Sunday. You lay it all day. On you can really make a man dance. The way you wine put me in a trance. I'll advise you, give me that. Tough times, see them never last. Late on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, Friday, on Saturday, on Sunday. You lay it all day. On you can really make a man dance. The way you wine put me in a trance. I'll advise you, give me that. Tough times, see them never last. Late on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, Friday, on Saturday, on Sunday. You lay it all day. Sentimental, you got me attached, which is essential. My guys tell me that I'm so mental. Don't get you how I get you. You different, yeah, you different. Different, just what I'm missing. These days I don't know if they get what I'm thinking. I'm thinking you a high fashion. Give me more action. Don't be selling stories. Yeah, let's make some stories. See, I don't care about the man.
So I'm going to wrap my edges again just to let them lay flat. Then I'm going to take my demo brush and my spray bottle and I'm just going to drench the hair. I'm really going for that frizzy look, like the natural curl pattern. I just want it to be a bit defined. And so I'm just going to apply some water and curl activator. I'm not going to do anything else to it. I'm just going to apply some water and drench the hair, then let it air dry. I don't want to go for the wet look. I really like how the hair looks when it's a tad bit dry. So I'm just gonna literally just apply some water.
Yeah, melanin popping, got me high like ketamine. Can you that big as wedding ring? When it's time, say you go have to settle things. You just sing your element. You say that I'm genuine. I'm just trying to settle in. On you can really make a man dance. The way you wine put me in a trance. I'll advise you, give me that. Tough times, see them never last. Late on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, Friday, on Saturday, on Sunday. You lay it all day. On you can really make a man dance. The way you wine put me in a trance. I'll advise you, give me that. Tough times, see them never last. Late on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, Friday, on Saturday, on Sunday. You lay it all day.
So this is how the lace looks once it's finished melting and it's finished laying and I'm done with the whole lace business. I'm going to take some LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and a really tiny brush, and I'm just going to define my part and make that really sharp and neat. Okay, so the only con I have about this hair is that I have a large head and getting this to fit my head was kind of a struggle. So you really want to take that in mind when you're back, or if you do order this wig, look at the measurements and see if it matches with your head. This is quite small for me, but it's not extremely small because obviously I've got it on my head, but it was still a struggle for me to get on. But yeah, that's the only con I have about the hair. Other than that, this hair is so lush. Like, the lace is amazing, the hair is amazing, it's so soft, the curls stay defined throughout, and I have nothing bad to say. So yeah guys, all the details on the hair will be in the description box down below. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed out.